Any other questions?
Can you guys tell me what you created?
It's a game called Stranded. He's on an island trying to survive and figure out his past because he's not sure why he's there, and then he realizes that the island's actually symbolic for how he lost his mind, and he comes back to sanity in a psych ward.
It's pretty deep.
Yeah. What are you thinking?
Deep.
Does anyone want to play it?
Can you guys tell me about what you designed?
Yeah, we created a Call of Duty zombie map.
What does it look like?
We'll go back a little bit and show some footage.
Top point.
Come on. Yeah, that's our editor that we use, and that's our map. That's the outside of it, and then I go to the inside of it.
What was the biggest challenge?
The biggest challenge is that we never actually got it to load up into the game,
Okay.
so we were just stuck with our map, but we couldn't actually play on it.
Okay.
So that was the biggest challenge.
Learning the program too, that was pretty hard. It took
What program was it?
We used two programs. One was the UGX mod map creator, and then the other one was it Launcher? Is that what it's
Yeah,
called?
Launcher is the actual editor, what you're seeing right now.
Okay. You guys are there.
So, this is our game design project. We made a game called Go Out Fighting. Our original plan was we were going to make like a Super Smash Bros. Style game. Everyone knows Super Smash Bros, right? Yeah. We were going to do one of those, but we realized that that'd be a lot of coding and really hard to do, and we're a small group, so we probably wouldn't have been able to finish it. So instead we made a platformer, but we kept the combat elements. There's still, you can punch things and stuff, it's fun. Thomas right now is going to show you some of the code, the script and stuff. The code is what makes the game be a game. Other than, if it didn't have that, it'd be just like a video or a picture or something.
There's a lot of coding.
Yes. Shauna here, amazing person, did pretty much all of the coding.
All of it.
We tried helping. We sent her like pre-made scripts, and she's like, "No, those don't work," and
Yeah,
did it herself. So, but yeah,
It didn't work very well.
this is just like one sheet of coding that does like one.
There's
thing.
many.
Yeah.
There's many.
Yeah, these big, huge things.
Every single one of these is a piece of coding. It's not fun. Not fun at all.
Okay, it is difficult, yeah.
Give time.
Yep. So now Tom's gonna show you some gameplay. Like I said, Shauna programmed all of this. It's really simple. There's like you move left and right. You can jump, double jump, and you can punch basically. But
You can dance.
yeah, kind of. Yeah. So
I made the level so that would progressively get a little bit harder.
a little bit harder, yeah.
Skills. No need for double jump here. Oh,
So
no.
anyone want to try it?
Don't fly.
There's a ceiling, and if you touch the ceiling, it insta heals you.
With a robot companion. And you can create players with a variety of classes like the con man, the ranger, and the entrope, which is basically like the wizarding class. And and you can also have a variety of backgrounds as well, like the apprentice, which is basically like a student type of class. And
I didn't know exactly
there's
what
also
the game
the
we were
merchant,
going
criminal, wanderer, the homeland defender, which is like the knight and basically how you play is you create the character and then you put another person called the game master sort of organizes
and you make it up here. Okay, yeah. Any of you guys want to try it?
What did you call it?
This is like a Simpsons parkour map. Kind of difficult. Some parts.
You look like you want to try it. Parkour.
You
Did you go to high school when you did it? Is that kind of surprising?
forward, backwards, side, and
Oh, hit that down. Aaron, you get a high five. Oh, you get 2 down.
So, for instance, Thomas's turn, he got 1 of each resources except steel. He got 2 since it's at level 2. Probably gonna make tank. So tank will be steel 4. He can make a tank if he wanted to, which he will do, which requires 4 steel, 2 explosive, and 1 fabric. 30 seconds. That's good. And you can put a tank anywhere in your starting area, but you can't move it once you build it. So rolled a 4. He was attacking this. He was attacking this one, and since he rolled higher than a 1, it went down to a level. His health went down to 1. And that's what it is.
Thank you guys.
See you, Bob. We're gonna start saying that.
What's the high five, man? Sorry.
Where the other one go?
Right.
Let's run right here. Ryan. Sorry. Yeah, just come back here.
You want me to do the intro again? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is our game called the Trap Tower. We made this in Art Game and Design. Pretty much for Art Game and Design, you make board games, make online games. We decided to make an online game because we like something physical. We like something you can...
You mean board games?
We like something, board games, because it's something physical, you can actually play with it, and you can actually have fun with it. So our game is based off zombies. Any of you guys play zombies? Alright, so Tanner will be explaining our perks, or any of you guys explain the concept of the game.
So this is like basically zombies on the board, and we have perks like in zombies. We have Juggernaut, Woodspeed, Coma, and if you land on any of the perks, you draw a card, and like warm-ups, zombie attack, go back 5 spaces, and then we have like Quick Revive, which makes you immune to any of the traps. We have a bunch of traps set up, which are stop, and if you land on those, you just stop there. Like, if you roll an 8 and it's like 1 space in front of you, you have to stop on it, unless you have a Quick Revive.
And it is dice-based game, so it is dice. You roll dice.
So you roll dice to know how many spots you move, and if you land on 7, you lose your turn. But anything else you can move.
Every turn,
And
so after his turn,
And the point of it is try to get to the end and get a shred. And it's an antidote for the zombies. And one of the cards is a zombie fight.
One of the cards that you guys can draw is a zombie boss fight. So how this works is you'll stand around like 4 to 5 feet away from those zombies up there, and you gotta shoot them with a rubber band. You get 2 tries. It's pretty hard, but so say you were on this level and that's where you got it, and if you didn't hit it within your 2 shots, you'd have to restart from that level. You never go down a level because it is a multi-level board game. So once you get to that level, you stay on that level, but you just have to restart.
Any of you guys want to try? You do get a high five from me.
Can you tell me about your pieces, your zombie guys?
These are the zombie bosses.
And it is...
Did you make them?
No, we just dollar store. Yeah, and it's 1 to 4 players, and these are like our little army guys for our players.
That was 3D printed.
That's what I was wondering. I thought maybe the zombies were 3D printed.
This was 3D printed.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, if you guys want to try, it's pretty hard. Stay around like just behind this edge of the wall. Oh, come on.
No, you gotta go.
And then your health bar is up here. You can take 10 hits before you die. Yeah, be careful. There you go. Yep, for 10 points. How do you double jump? Just tap the thing twice. You gotta like time it though. It makes you once, and then you do it again when you're in the air. You move a little higher. I might have to go back.
Alright, so green can start.
Yeah, we'll be this way.
And if someone wants to be orange too, they can.
I'll take blue. We'll be green.
So we don't have anyone on yellow? Are we good then?
Lena, you can go. I'm with them.
We'll just leave that. Okay. Alright, so which one do you get to the objective card? Yep, you can look. You don't want to show all the because are you green?
No.
Then if you have a color, then your goal is to jump over that color. Then you achieve your objective. But if you have your own color, or if you have yellow, since they don't play, then you can just give it back to me, and we'll just shuffle these up, and then you can get 3 points. Alright. So now we can start. Go ahead and roll the dice. Alright, now you move these spaces.
So do we go all the way down?
Now you can over the branch right there. That's the actual place.
What have you been impressed with so far? Which one was it?
That Stranded. And it's got really good graphics and stuff. They did a lot of good programming on it. That's it.
I like that one.
I like
Yeah, there's a lot of coding in it. There's a lot of help online.
Do you full punching?
Not yet. That was a work in progress. We were still looking at hard stuff. We were kind of just like trying to get the simple stuff down for
Because I mean,
about 5 weeks.
something like that would take years.
Design all those trees and stuff.
We didn't design them. Somebody else had a preset package for us that made it kind of easy.
We can place it, but we like made the layout for the map and stuff, and then we textured it all.
So looks pretty.
It's
The
not
maps
very
were really-
good because I
it's
turned on
pretty
the
big.
quality. My computer's super slow.
This is the whole map.
And I'm probably like right here right now.
Yeah,
I've been walking forever.
If I walked across this whole thing, it's a big map.
And then after you get all the notes on this stuff, you go to the temple scene.
Kind of have to navigate yourself around.
Yep, this is where Spencer was supposed to spawn into.
I did a lot of the level design, so all that you see basically is what I did. That's why I did the backstory, coding.
So are there? Shrek.
Talk about
Shrek.
Shrek. Yeah, so basically we were gonna add an enemy at the end of this. Yeah, that took a lot of time. Yeah, I have a picture of it.
That's really cool. Somebody have Shrek.
We're gonna have one of those. Go in there. Have a little like sanctuary.
Toss out because you know
I had a lot of experience over the summer using this. So this is what I'm going to college for. So I've been working actively on this, and then I kind of we all kind of came together and brainstormed some ideas of what we could make in 5 weeks.
Punch him.
Just a different map. So you got any questions?
Like every time.
About like 3 weeks. The first week was a lot of
Okay. Yeah, what's your, any general questions or just kind of...
Tell us what you were doing here today.
This is our game design class. It's a 1/4 class. We started out as just kind of students building 1-week games by themselves for 3 weeks, and after that they got into teams and had to, or most of them chose to do teams, some individually, and they had to create a final product game that was like a 5-week long game. And in that time we have a range from board games where they went in more depth with like the physical pieces and the rules and the structure of the game. Other people went digital and were focusing on more of the programming and how you get to have a good interactive experience. And for the most part, there was very little instruction on the actual practices other than some basic game design concepts and some kind of troubleshooting help from me, but they all know how to do the programming better than I do. So I was just kind of a moral support, really. Encourager of the process, design process, not so much on the tech side.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing with us.
No problem.
Thank you.